Alright, so here goes the winch just one more time. That's out. That's in. Now we're going to lower the mini deck. Now we're going to raise the main section of the tail. Fold it in. Again, you want to run it until it basically deadheads out or locks up against. Now we're going to put our locks on and lower the tail onto the main tail locks. There you go.